Hi everyone. In this video presentation, I would like to explain about the Mphasis IT script October-December quarter net profit up by 7%. Recently, this company has announced their quarter results. In this presentation, I would like to explain about their price and volume analysis on the daily chart pattern on 25th January 2018. Inverted hammer candlestick was formed. In this presentation, I would like to cover these topics. Before entering into this video presentation, I would recommend everyone to closely observe a disclaimer. This content is designed simply for informational and educational purpose, not recommendations or tips offered to any of the person, group or individual. Before taking any position, please consult your financial advisor or do your own individual research. We don't accept any kind of profit and loss occurring during the usage of this video content. This video presentation has done based on the interest of the video maker. Now enter into the main discussion part. This is the Mphasis script daily NSE. If you observe over here, this is the price of day-to-day price movement over here. Here, this one is the volumes. If you observe over here, this level is the 710 is the strong support level for this of the script. Currently, it is trading around the 7825 is the closing price for this of the script. This one is the last day of the trading session. If you observe over here, the price has been moved in between of the price range 710 to the 737 of the price and given a breakout over this level, and it moved in the upward of the direction, and it formed on 24th January 2018 has formed inverted candlesticks, and this one is the last closing session of the week 25th. In the next slide, I would like to give you more close of this of the price watch over here. These are the support and the resistance level. The support and the resistance level always plays the crucial role in the chart. Before understanding of the support and resistance, you need to identify the supports and the resistance level by studying a chart, looking for a series of low points where a script falls to these levels but then does not fall further. This is a support level. When you find that a script rises to a certain high but no more high further, you have to find a resistance level. If you find yourself struggling to find the support and the resistance level, then those levels may be not very strong. The strength of the support and the resistance, the more time that a script bounces off support and falls back from the resistance, the stronger these supports and the resistance level become. It creates a self-fulfilling. The more frequent it happens, the more likely it happens again. The more those historical price patterns repeat themselves, the more traders know, and the more confident they in forecasting the further behavior of the particular script price movement. Some scripts become some into the trading range that the script eventually has the hard time breaking through the levels to either the up or downside. The using of the support and the resistance gives you the further the price prediction. Now moving on to the next slide, this is the recently announced the quarter results. IT company Mphasis October-December quarter net profit up by 7% at rupees 2.15 billion. The company net profit stood at 2 billions in the year ago period. Mphasis IT company Mphasis on Wednesday posted a 7.2% rise in the consolidated net profit of 2.14 billion for the quarter ended December 31st. The company net profit stood at rupees 2 billion in the year ago in the statement. Mphasis revenue from the operations grew 8.1% to the 16.6 billion in the said quarter from 15.36 billion in the year ago, with the knowledge that every business is a digital business which are proactively providing a roadmap to enable enterprise clients to reimagine their digital future, said by the Mphasis CEO and Executive Director Nitin Rakesh. The company saw the new deal win of $130 million total contract value in the direct international business, of which 83% in focus area of digital, next generation and governance, risk and compliance services. Mphasis said the direct international revenue grew 8.5% year on year, which direct core revenue was up 9.5% year on year. So this is about the quarter analysis of Mphasis. Also, the main eye, the company in the focus 1 billion revenue mark taps the digital opportunity. The charges has excited the leading the company as long as they needed the day longer. It remains the September quarter net slips for the 4% to the 197. This quarter the profit up 7% is the profit up. Now moving on to the next slide. This is the over 1 year. Just observe over here. This is the over 1 year the price behavior of the particular script. The last 1 week low is 178 and the high is 854. Last day of the closing is 825.9, almost close to the 825. 1 month low is 700 and high is 854. And the overall change is the 67.9 rupees in terms of the percentage, 12.62%. 3 months low is 679.30, and in terms of the rupee change, 125 percentage, 22.30. Over 6 months low is 560 change over the 6207.3, and in terms of percentage 39 point. The 1 year low is 52.30 and high is 854. This one is the high is a fixed over here and it changes over on the lower side. The overall 50%, 54% has the return has given. And the pattern, if you observe over, very good of the decent over this, the price has fluctuated in between the 600 to the 500 of the price levels, and it moved in the higher and higher. Such types of the pattern we can call it as higher high and higher low. It's moved in the high and this one is the low. Again it started bouncing back over here and crossed the 854 of the price levels. So this is about the over 1 year of the price action. This for only for your information purpose. NSC I have captured this all the information slide is Mphasis Limited, series is equity, symbol is MPHASIS, and the status is listed, and the symbol P is 22.53 and the sectoral P is 19.3, and sectoral index is registered at Nifty 80. This one is the price behavior on the particular of the day, and this one only for your of the reference purpose. Face value is 10 and 52 weeks high is 857.50 and 52 weeks low is 521.55. Traded volume and in terms of the value, and this is the delivery volume percentage from over the last 1 month. From I have captured this information from 27th December 17 to the 25th January 2018. On the last day it has delivered 59.0, and it's a very good, I believe myself it's a very good opportunity to enter this of the price levels and moving further, anticipating over the 9 and above 900 of the price levels. And this was the delivery quantity and it was the delivery person in terms of the volumes traded. And these are traded volumes over the particular of the days. You can pause this of the video and you can check all these of the information in detail: open, high, low, close, traded quantity and traded numbers, delivery percentage. Like as I said, the inverted hammer candlestick which was formed on 24th January. What exactly is the inverted hammer candlestick? This pattern consisting of a black body followed by an inverted hammer. This is characterized by a long upper shadow and small body. It is similar in the shape to the bearish shooting star, but unlikely the shooting star, the inverted hammer appears in a downtrend signaling a bullish reversal. The recognition criteria: the market is characterized by influence in the downtrend. The first day of the pattern is a black candlestick. On the second day, a small body at the lower end of the trading range is observed. Color of the body is not important. The upper shadow of the second candlestick should be at least twice of the long as long as the body. This is almost a no longer shadow. The pattern requirement and the flexibility. The body of inverted hammer should be a small. This we call as a body. The green part is called as a body. The upper shadow should be at least twice as long as the body, but not the shorter than the average of the candlestick. It is the desired that no or very thin lower shadow. This is the lower shadow, and the bottom of the inverted hammer should be the lower than the preceding candlesticks. So this is about the inverted candlesticks. Now, thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If anyone wants to know any of the particular of the script, I suggest everyone to please comment on the below video to know the comment. If possible, I try to make the presentation. If time does not allows me, I try to comment with the support and the resistance level. So thank you guys. Have a good and safe trading.